Alright, Jason, Hollis Farms today. Gonna do a little grass cutting, not just a whole lot of grass cutting. Oh, gonna cut up and down the driveway, around the brown house just a little bit. It's getting kind of tall, out of hand. Most of it's just weeds and stuff. I'm just gonna knock the bad stuff down. I'm not really ready to start cutting grass yet, but we're going to get a little bit of it done before it takes over. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I thought I was in the mood to cut grass. You know, you gotta be in the mood to cut grass, especially when you don't like it. I wasn't in the mood, so I got something in a box that I got quite a few weeks ago that I've been wanting for a long time, and I've never opened the box. I'll run in the barn and get it, and we'll open it up and test it out. Alright, y'all, so here's what I got. Let me back up where I can see y'all. Y'all can see me, whatever. I've been wanting one of these things for a long time. It's a knife sharpener. It's made by Workshop Outdoor Sharpeners. Let's open the box. I ain't never used one of these things. Y'all might have, but I ain't. So let's see what all it's got in here. Directions. Belt. Alright. That thing's gonna be pretty neat, ain't it? Alright, I'm gonna go. I might can make that thing reach right here, and we'll work on it right here. My knife's getting a little dull. Needs a little sharpening. Y'all excuse me for being so snotty. I've been snotty for a month, I think. Can't get it dried up. Boy, that thing is just nice. I don't know what these extra attachments are. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I got her plugged up in the wall. I read the little bit of the directions. Basically, all it says is plug it up, drop your knife in there and hold it level and pull with light pressure while you power it up. So, seems simple enough. I'll have to read a little bit more about it in a minute, but let's try it out. This thing is, it's pretty dull. Let's see what it'll do. I'm gonna show you. Y'all see that? Gotta push pretty hard to get that. Let's see what it does after we sharpen on it. Sounds good anyway, don't it? Woo, that thing's gonna work. I'm gonna run it through there one more time. I don't think it's gonna take but just a little bit. See the best way to pull this trigger. I'm gonna drop it down in here. I'm holding it level. Then you gotta run it with the curve of the blade. Golly, that thing's gonna work, I believe. Let's see what it does. Y'all see that where it was hard a while ago. Woo. I think that's gonna work. I know it is. I think I'm gonna do it again. Drop it in, hold it level. That is pretty doggone sharp. I ain't touching no more. I don't want to ruin my blade. Can y'all see that? I like that. And for those of y'all out there that have one of these and have used one of these and maybe know a little more about knives than I do, if I'm doing something wrong, y'all comment below. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Because I just opened the box. It's got an attachment in here for 50 degrees on the knife. It's got scissors. It's a rated knife. I don't know if I'll ever get that contraption out, but it's got some spare belts, or whatever you want to call them, sanders, sharpeners. That's going to be nice, especially come deer season. You got to skin 2 or 3 deer in a row. Instead of hand, just drop that baby in there and peel her back. Be skinning deer. I like it. I like it. I thought I'd share with y'all. That's a lot better than cutting grass. If y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us. Hollis Farms. Hats, t-shirts, and stickers. HollisFarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.